Peace, 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 peace. Peace, people. Brother James, House of Healing Light, a higher frequency school of energy being. You're going to have to excuse me because I'm trying to talk kind of fast. It's a lot to go through. Listen, we know because of the government shutdown, everybody's feeling it. And so, as the title says, let's help the people. Reiki Day. We're doing a lot because we are already going to help bring you in connection with the earth energy. So you can get that healing, then you take that energy and you flow it across the planet to give everybody else healing. Then we bring in the angels down and their energy. And then we don't stop there. The angels have decided that they want to help us and they'll give us our individual teams. That's right, individual teams, individual team that will work with you to help you to get what you need. And then we don't stop there. First of all, our partner, MP Fat, affectionately known as MP Fat, but as McKeel's Path for Artistic Triumph, is sponsoring 5 registrations for 5 families dealing with autism. All you got to do is email them an autismtriumph@gmail.com and let them know your situation. You want to be there, just send the email and they'll see what they can do. So you got some people being sponsored. Then before Reiki Day, you know what we're going to do? Abundance Circle. That's right, our new class, the Abundance Circle, November 8th, 8:30 p.m. And it's only $10. What are you going to get for that $10? We're going to give you 6 to 8 different energies dealing with abundance. That's right. Not only do we give Reiki energy, but I'm also attuned to what's called ethereal crystals, meaning the crystals that you know of, citrine, amethyst, so on, etc. Yeah, some of them I'm actually attuned to the very energy that's within those crystals. So I don't actually have to use those crystals. I can use the actual energy. And what we're going to do is give you 6 to 8 energies that deal with abundance and prosperity in different ways. Citrine, known as the merchant stone, give you that big energy for especially those who are in business or want to go into business, whether it be your side hustle or be LLC, corporation, whatever have you. Give you that pyrite, malachite, Amazonite, and some others. All of them giving you the energies that you need to be prosperous and abundant in different ways. Some of them help you with the mindset. Some of them help you with the literal prosperity and abundance energy. Some of them may help you to get your emotional self right. Because to do business, you got to understand not only how to do it, but you got to have the right mindset, the right follow through to make things happen. And so that's coming November 8th. And guess what? Like I said, $10. Because we want to help build up the abundance and the prosperity. Because we understand we're all hurting right now. Then November 14th through the 17th, Reiki Day. Now, what are we doing during Reiki Day to help? Well, use the code FUR, FUR 20, and you get 20% off all the classes. 20% off all the classes. That's right, 20% off all the classes. And then you know what some of the classes are. You can come and get your throne, get your authority, so you can start changing your reality. Get in the holistic healing circle where you can get 3 different types of healing energy in one session. One session. Gold light, white flame, and my favorite, quantum Reiki, which is powerful in and of itself. We're trying to help people. But then I need all my business people. Every single last one of you. World Synergy Abundance, where everybody's energy in the class. First of all, I'm going to give you some quantum energy to help boost up your prosperity and your abundance and help heal you to a certain degree. But we're not going to stop there. Then we're going to synergize the energy from everybody in the room. Then we're going to connect to the world abundance and pull it all in. Use our intention, two intentions, and funnel that energy into it. It's not a game, people. I want us to be prosperous, and God is giving us Reiki Day to get through this dark period. He's given us what we need. He's given us our throne. He's given us angels. He's given us the world synergy, abundance, so we can bust through some of these things that may be holding us back and get into what was originally sold anyway. The original currency is energy, people. It had nothing to do with physical paper and coins and so on and so forth. It was the energy of the God, of the Creator. He's trying to take us back to that. So we're going to be doing all these things to prepare ourselves. Now you have discounts, 20% discount for 20% discount on the classes. It's only $10 to register. And with the registration, you get the guided meditation to connect with the earth. You get the guided meditation to connect with the angels. You also get the session where we help you to connect with your own energy and learn how to work with it. And that comes with the registration, not even including the days of prayer, showing you how prayer can help you to really get to that next level. And not just the regular prayer. We talk about it in a different way, helping us to really start putting things together. And that comes with registration. That's not even the classes. The classes may cost some money, but now that's 20% discounted. I'm just saying, people, we just need you there, because the more of us there, the more energy that we get a chance to use to not only affect you, but to affect the whole planet. Like I said, we're no longer going to sit on our hands and wait for everybody else to tell us what we need to do. We're going to take the bull by the horns. And when you start taking control of your energy and start changing your mindset and using the energy to therefore change reality by affecting the matter and your thought process and everything around you, you now can change your reality. And with the angels backing you and helping to guide you, and when you have your throne room, which has the Lord of all the worlds in it with you, also guiding you, you're getting the God force, the God direction direct, especially with the inner sanctuary manifesting through prayer class. Now you get a chance to make your sanctuary where you and the Creator are there together. You can feel His energy, and then you start your prayer, and now He can give you the energy to help you to manifest your prayer. Cut out the middleman, but that means you have to do the work, though. So now, when you put that all together, powerful, powerful stuff. And then any other classes that may come after Reiki Day will also be discounted by 20%. Come on now, family. We're trying to do the best we can to help out. So, reikiday.org. reikiday.org. Go get your tickets. Seats are limited. Make sure you be there so that you can get what you need. And as I said before, if you can, sponsor somebody. Make it so that as many of your family members can make it there and get that energy, get revitalized, get recentered, and get what's necessary to get the job done, feel better, and get through this dark period that we're going through. So, people, keep that in mind. If you have any questions, make sure that you hit us back. All right. Peace.